Morning everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. We have another Kenwood Tl-922a in for repair. Needs a whole bunch of stuff done to it. Hope everybody had a happy holiday, happy, safe, fun holiday. I did some work Saturday, took Sunday off, Monday off, and Tuesday and Wednesday I got some work done on my multi-band amp. I also shipped Harbach orders, but back to work today, so now it's Thursday. So this thing needs a lot of work. Needs a new load capacitor, which I have. The plates are damaged right there. Needs a band switch. I'll show that after. I replaced the plate choke that was damaged. It was loose. It was wobbling back and forth. The ceramic was damaged. Needs filter caps. So I'm going to put a Harbach kit in it. I'll do all the other modifications. It's a 10-meter mod done. And I'll flip it on its side real quick and I'll show you the bottom. So, be right back. See you soon. So here's the bottom. Pointer. So you can see the contact is gone. Focus. Blown apart. See, it's gone right there. There. So, put a brand new one in. Ground the grids. Change the electrolytic cap. You know, there are a lot of people that work on these things, they do the bare minimum, but it's really important to do these modifications. So you protect the filament transformer, protect the plate current meter, you know, increase the stability, less chance of having a band switch flashover with a parasitic oscillation, you know. So okay, I'm going to get to work and I will see you guys in a while. This is going to take a while, so stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so I'm back with the completed Tl-922. I've not tested it yet. I'm going to take the video of the bottom and the top and then plug a new set of Pentalab tubes in and see what happens. So let me grab a pointer here. I'll show you everything I did. Brand new band switch. Tightened up on a lot of hardware. Did the 10-meter mod. Check the Zener. It's good. Changed the electrolytic cap. Put the soft key in. Zip tied the wiring real nice. Grounded the grids. Checked the SO239s. Did the bias modification. Clean the relay contacts, this relay and that relay, and also the rotary switches with deoxit gold. I always clean new rotary switch, less band switches also with deoxit gold. So I'll flip it over and I will show you the top. Be right back. Stay tuned. Here's the top. I put the new used ear variable cap in. Plates are in perfect condition. Put the meter protection diode in. New Harbach filter cap board assembly. Series glitch resistor. Zip tied the wiring. Added the strap over here. So now I'm going to plug the tubes in and fire it up. So next video will be a video of it in operation. Since this needed a lot of work, I'm going to show you guys a video of it working. Hey, see you soon. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm waiting on the meter lamps. They're not here yet. He wanted LEDs, so I'm going to replace all 4 incandescent ones with LEDs. They're already removed, and the 2 lamps for the on-air and standby lamps. So customer wanted a video of it working on 40 meters, so I'm going to do that. And got the radio set to roughly 60 watts, 2500 watt slug. Meters on PEP. It's going into a Bird attenuator dummy load. I'll go ahead, key the amp with the foot pedal. Audio hello, audio hello, 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 Audio hello. Sure. Audio hello. Audio hello, hello. There's just static plate current. Audio hello, 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 hello. Audio hello. So about a kilowatt on the lower voltage. Let me kick it up to the higher voltage setting. Audio hello, audio hello, 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 audio hello, about 1250 right there, 1250, tit 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 tit, hello, hello, audio hello, 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 and show the frequency. Hey, so that's about it. I'm gonna work on my multi-band amp after this. I'm just waiting on the LEDs. It's taking forever to get here, but wanted to get this done. So, need an amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call. Or if you can just send it in, if you want, just go on my website. I've got the instructions if you want to skip a phone call. Otherwise, you can call and talk to me, but all the shipping instructions are right on my site. So please like, share, and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Website is amprepairguy.com, and my other site is harbachelectronics.com. Again, with the Harbach kits, all fresh stock. I get stuff out within a business day. If it's listed on the site, I have it in stock. So thanks again for everything and for all the support. I will be back with another amp video soon. So just been plugging away here, and the amps that come in, they're just like I've said before, that you just need a little bit of work. I don't bother making a video, but I try to keep content rolling, because for some reason people will think I'm out of business if I don't have videos going on. But I'm doing my best here. I only have 2 hands, and a lot more cool stuff to come. Just been super swamped. So thanks for watching, and have a great day. Have a good weekend. It's Friday. 73.